Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss about wildcard characters in SQL. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. A wildcard character is used to substitute one or more characters in a string, and wildcard characters are used with like operator, and the like operator will be used in the where clause. Suppose I want to find out the students whose name is starting with A, then how I will write is, I will write select student name. Let's take that student name is the attribute which consists of the name of the student. From student table, where student name like, I will write single quotes a percentage. Then I want to display the students names whose name is starting with A. Similarly, I want to verify the students who have joined in the month of December. Like this, if I want to do, I can use this wildcard characters. Now I will discuss various wildcard characters and what is the corresponding description, and let me discuss with examples. If I use the percentage, here itself you can see A percentage I have used. Then what is the meaning? It should start with A. After that, whatever the characters are coming, I does not bother. So it represents 0 or more characters. If I say A percentage, then it should start with A. If I say percentage A, then ends with A. If I say percentage A percentage, then what is the meaning? It should contains A. Like this, if you want to represent, you can use the percentage symbol. If you want to say any single character, it can be anything, okay, then I can use underscore. The underscore represents a single character. If I want to display the students names whose length of the string or the name is 4 letters, then I can use 4 underscores. Then the students whose name is having of length 4, their students will be displayed, like Ravi will be displayed, okay, Razu. Okay, like these students whose name is of length 4 characters will be displayed. So I can use a single underscore to represent a single character. Okay, suppose if I want to say A or B or C, then I can represent like this. Within the braces, I can represent A, B, C. Then it can be either A or B or C. Suppose if I say R, A, R, A, B, C, then I have written J, U. Then the students whose name is Razu, whose RBJU, RCJU will be displayed, whose name is RAJU, RBJU, RCJU. Like this, it can be either A or B or C. If I want to find starts with A, then I can use the wild character like this, A percentage. Then I can get like Adarsh, okay, Avinash. Like that, the people whose name is starting with A will be displayed. If I want to know the people whose end with A, like Parnika and then Raja, okay, so all these things are ending with A. Like that, if you want to find, you can use percentage A. Now I want to find contains A, then I can use percentage A percentage. Any one which contains A, then Parnika will come and Ravi will come. All these things whose name is consists of A should be displayed, like Razu, Ramesh, everything. All these people are having a character A, okay, contains A is allowed. Now I want to find something which contains in the second position, then I can use like underscore is the first character, means underscore means any character can come out of this 26 digits. Then if I write A, then anything where second position A should be there. Whatever the first character, I does not bother, and it is doing what I don't want to look at. I want to look at only the strings that contains A in the second position. Then I can represent the wildcard or a regular expression like this. If I want to say the strings that contains A in the last but one position, then I can represent like this. A, it's okay, ending with A. This percentage A means ending with A, but ending with A in the second position, last but one position only, because last position any character can come. Now if I say A underscore 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 percentage, then starts with A and are at least 3 characters in length. After A, 3 underscores are there. So it should start with A and at least 3 characters in the length. Like that I can represent. Now I want to represent start with A, end with P. Then I can write A percentage P. So it is saying the strings which are starting with A and ends with P. So all these are the various symbols and their corresponding description. Now all these things we will practically verify in Oracle SQL Plus. Let me open the Oracle SQL Plus. Now look at the various tables which are there in the database. So I will write select star from tab. Now you can see various tables are there like DEPT, EMP, bonus, sal grade, all these things. Now let me look at the description of the table called DEPT. Okay, now DEPT table have the department number, department name, LOC. Now look at the data. I will write select star from DEPT. Now you can see this is the data is there. How many rows are there? 4 rows are there. So the cardinality of this department table is 4 and the degree is 3 because 3 attributes are there, which is department number, department name, LOC. Now I want to find the location which is starting with N. Then you can see New York is there. Select LOC because you want to find the location from the table called DEPT where LOC like what I want to say starting with N. So I will write capital N percentage. Let me end with semicolon. Now you can see only one location which is starting with capital N. If I want to say the department numbers which is ending with 0, then we can see I will write select department number, DEPT number from DEPT table where department number DEPT N was like. It should work with characters. We will see will it works with numbers also because it is saying that wildcard character percentage 0. I think it will not work. We will verify. See, because invalid character, because these are not the characters, these are numbers. For the characters only it will work. Now we will look at the data from another table. Select star from EMP table. Now you can see we have lot of data. I want to find the name of the employees whose name is ending with S. Then I can write select E name from EMP table where E name like I want to end with capital S. Then I will write percentage capital S. Now let me end with semicolon. Now you can see these are the employee names whose name is ending with S. Jones, Adams, James. So like this you can display. Suppose I want to know the employees who's hired in the month of December. Month is there like 03 December 81 is there. Then how I can write select E name comma hire date from EMP table where like percentage DEC percentage. I should consist of December month. Let me end with semicolon. What happened? Where I have forgot to write on which attribute you are using the like operator. So I will open the ED. Now you can see whatever the old command we have written earlier, it will be there. Like I want to write hire date, where like hire date. Let me close this one and save it. And now I'll give backslash. Now you can see these are the employees like Smith, James, Fraud have joined in the month of December. Which day, which year, I am not bothering. Suppose if I want to know all the employees who have joined in the year 81, then I can write select ename comma hire date from emp, where hire date, okay, I need to give space, where hire date like I want to end with 81, so I will write percentage 81. Then you can ask me, sir, 81 is also what? A number. Then you just now you said on numbers we cannot use this wild characters, but remember this one, this is a date. Date also we will provide as a string within the single quotes. Okay, so it will work. So these are the employees have joined or hired in the year called 81, like Alan, Ward, Jones, Martin, Blake, Clark, King, Turner, James, Ford have joined in various months like February, April, September, like this. But however, all these employees have joined or hired in the year 81. Now I want to find the employee where second position consists of something. Okay, these things we will verify. Then let me go to the SQL. I want to say the employees names where second character is capital A. Then I can write select ename from emp, where ename like I can use single quotes percentage underscore a, first character can be anything, then capital A, and then percentage single quotes end with semicolon. Now you can see Ward, Martin, James are the employees names whose name where the second character is capital A. Now I want to know the employees where the last but one character is K instead of K, which is repeating more times. Let me see, E is there here. Third position I want to get, because in that case we can get Blake, Clark, those people will come. We can see select ename from emp, where ename like percentage capital A, two underscores I need to give. I need to end with single quotes and end with space. Now you can see underscore we have given. From last, the third character should be A, like Ward is there because Ward is 4 characters. From right, if you look at A is the third position. Similarly, Blake, Clark, Adams, see these are the employees where the last to third position means from the right side, third character is capital A. So these things we have discussed. I want to know the employees whose length is 5 characters. Then how can I write select ename from emp, where ename like I will give a single quotation, single underscore, 2 underscores, 3 underscores, 4 underscore, 5 underscore. Let me close the single quotes and end with semicolon. Now these are the employees whose name length is 5 characters. If you want to verify, you can verify. Smith, how many characters are there? 5 characters. Ellen, 5 characters. Jones, 5 characters. Blake, Clark, Scott, Adams, James. I want to know the employees whose length is 4 characters. Then I can write select ename from emp, where ename like open the single quotes, single underscore, 2, 3, 4. Close the single underscore or single quotes and end with semicolon. So these are the employees whose name length is 4 characters. Ward, King, Ford. Now I want to verify the employees whose starting with A, ending with N or S. We will verify that one. So I will write select ename from emp, where ename like I will give single quotes starts with a and then it should end with n or s. I will give percentage n s within this one and close the single quotes, end with semicolon. No rows are selected. Okay, ln is there. I want to just display end with n. We will verify that one, will it work or not. Select ename from emp, where ename like I will give single quotes percentage n. We got the ln. I want to end with s. Look at here, will it work or not. Select ename from emp, where ename like a percentage s. Atoms have been displayed. Now if I want to give starting with a ending with n or s, we will write like this. Select ename from emp, where ename like starting with a ending with capital S, or ename a percentage n. We will verify will it work or not. Invalid relational operator. Condition 1 or condition 2 I want to give. Look at here, select ename from emp, where ename like yes or ename like now you can see the employees whose name is starting with A, ending with N or S. This is the way you can use the OR operator using the like. I want to know the employees' names whose length is not 4 characters. Then you can use select ename from emp, where ename not like I will use. Instead of like I will write not like. Then I will use single quotes, 4 underscores I will give. Then it will give all the employee names other than the names whose length is 4. Then you can see Smith, 5 characters are there. Alan, 5 characters. John, Martin, Blake, Clark, Scott. All these names are not having length of 4 characters. Similarly, I want to know the employees who have not joined in the year 81. Okay, suppose if you want to know end with something, then you will use percentage a. So using that one, we will write select ename from emp. Okay, ename comma hire date from emp, where hire date not like I will use percentage 81. Then you can see all the employees names and their hire date has been displayed, and all of them have not hired in the year 81. If you want to match with something, then you will use like. Not match with something, then you will use not like. I hope you have understood about the like operator and also the wildcard characters in SQL. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.